Hello students, welcome back to computer class. I hope that you all are staying fit and fine at your home. So today with this video we are going to start our second assessment syllabus with the fifth number chapter, that is Introduction to MSW Logo. So let's turn on to chapter number 5 of book 5. So let's start the chapter. When we interact with each other, a language is required. In the same way, when we interact with the computer, we need a special language because a computer does not understand the language we speak. Logo is such an example of a simple computer language. So basically, MSW Logo is a programming language of the computer. Next, Logo is a simple computer language used for drawing figures, typing text and performing calculations. So these all things we can do with MSW Logo application. Logo means language of graphics oriented. So this is the full form of Logo. It is available in many different versions, but we shall be learning about MSW Logo especially designed for Windows. Actually, Logo is available in many versions, but according to our syllabus, we will be learning about MSW Logo, which is a Windows version. And the fact zone is, Logo was designed in 1967 by Seymour Papert, Wally Forsythe, Daniel G. Bobo and Cynthia Solomon. The next point is starting MSW Logo. To open the MSW Logo on your computer, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select all programs from the Start menu. Step 3. Click on the Microsoft Windows logo under the Microsoft Windows logo folder. The MSW Logo window will appear like this. Next, parts of the MSW Logo window. The MSW Logo windows is divided into two main sections, main screen and commander window, like this. The first one, main screen. It is also called the drawing area or the graphics screen. It is the place where you draw pictures. There is a small triangle in the center of the screen. It is called the turtle. This turtle carries out the instructions or commands given by the user. So, in the main screen only we can see the drawings or figures. That's why this is called drawing area or the graphics screen. And in the main screen only we can see the turtle, which is a very important tool of MSW Logo application. This turtle carries out the instructions or commands given by the user. Next one is commander window. This window is used to type and execute commands. This window is further divided into two parts, input box and recall list box. The first one is input box. This area is located in the lower part of the commander window. It is used to type and execute commands by pressing the enter key after typing the command. Now turn the page. The next point is recall list box. All the commands typed in the input box can be recalled or seen again in this area. If some commands go out of the view, you can click on the scroll bar to view the command. So basically the recall list box keeps a list of all the instructions that we type in the input box. So if something goes wrong, we can edit the commands in the input box. Now the next point is MSW Logo Turtle, which I already told that this one is the most important tool of MSW Logo application. So the small triangle in the center of the drawing area is called the turtle. It is used as a pen to draw on the MSW Logo screen. The turtle moves according to the commands or instructions given to it. It has two parts, head and tail. The pointed head shows the direction it is facing. The base of the triangle is called its tail. By default, the turtle is placed at the home position. In short, we can say the turtle is a tool or an object or a pen which is used to draw figures, typing text or performing calculations in MSW Logo application. Has two parts, head and tail. Both the parts execute all the commands. And if the turtle is not performing any commands, then it always remains at the home position.